Hello guys, welcome to Unacademy KCET YouTube live session. Myself Sharif. In this particular video, we will discuss the PYQs of KCET and COMEDK on vectors. This is part 1. Before I start guys, please subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you get notification for all our classes. If you've already subscribed, please share this video at the end of the session. Let's start guys. Question number 1. Okay, mod A is equal to 3, mod B is equal to 4. The value of A for which this is perpendicular. Just a sec. Alright, question number 1. A plus lambda b is perpendicular to A minus lambda b. So according to the question, A plus lambda b dot with A minus lambda b should be 0. A plus lambda b dot with A minus lambda b should be equal to 0. A plus lambda b dot with A minus lambda b is equal to 0. Alright, A plus b into A minus b is A square minus b square. So this is mod A the whole square minus lambda square into mod b the whole square is 0. Right, mod A is equal to 3, right? So this becomes 9. Mod B is equal to 4. So this becomes 16 is equal to 0. 9 by 16 is equal to lambda square. So lambda is equal to 3 by 4. Plus minus 3 by 4. So answer is 3 by 4. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. Question number 2. See, if you come across such questions, no need to prove it. Right, see what I'll do is for any vector A can be any vector, right? So I'll take vector A is equal to I. If I take vector A equal to I and substitute in the question, substitute here, this becomes I dot I into I plus I dot J into J plus I dot K into K. I dot J is 0, right? I dot K is also 0. I dot I is 1. So you get this as I. So this is not possible because I took vector A is equal to I. So this should be equal to I. This is equal to 2I. This is equal to 3I. And this is equal to null vector. So answer is option A only. If it is true for a vector A, then it should be true for any vector. So answer is option A only. Let's move to the next question. The projection of A on B. Projection of vector A on B is A dot B by mod B. Okay, so projection of vector A on vector B is equal to A dot B by mod B. This is equal to A dot B divided by mod B. Alright, so this is equal to A dot B. If I take the dot product, it will be equal to 2 plus 6 minus 6. This will be equal to 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 minus 6 divided by modulus of B, that is root of 1 plus 4 plus 9. This will cancel. You will get 2 by root of 14. Right, answer is option B. So projection of A on B, shadow of A falls on B is A dot B by mod B. Question number 4. This is a similar question which is asked in previous PYQ only. So I take this as vector A and I'm going to take this as vector B. Okay, so if I take suppose A dot B, A dot B is equal to 2 minus 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 3, and modulus of B is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 1, which is equal to root 6. Okay, now projection of A on B. Projection of vector A on vector B is equal to A dot B divided by modulus of B. A dot B divided by modulus of B. A dot B is minus 3. Modulus of B is root 6. Root 6 can be written as root 2 into root 3. Okay, this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 divided by root 2 into root 3. This will cancel. This is equal to minus whole root of 3 by 2. Right, answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. See, if this is A, this is A and this is B. This is n cap, right? This is A and this is B. This is n cap. Unit vector per this another vector in the opposite direction is minus n cap. So unit vector perpendicular to A and B is n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B. This is n cap formula. Right, now if I substitute this unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. So if I take this as vector A and I'll take this as vector B. Okay, now I'll take A cross B. A cross B is equal to determinant components of ijk. Components of A will be equal to 1, minus 1, 1. Components of B will be equal to minus 1, 1 and 1. I into delete first row, first column, you get minus 1, minus 1. J into first, minus J into first row, second column, you get 1 plus 1. Plus K into first row, last column, you get 1 minus 1. Anyways, this fellow is 0. You get minus 2I, minus 2J. Okay, so I'm going to take minus 2 out. It will be equal to I plus J. This is minus 2 out. You will get I plus J. Now modulus of A cross B. Mod of minus 2 is 2. Root of 1, okay, square plus 1 square, which is equal to 2 root 2. Now if I substitute in the n cap formula, n cap is equal to plus minus okay, n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B. Okay, n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B. A cross B is equal to minus 2 into I plus J divided by modulus of this is 2 root 2. Cancel this. You get plus and minus, right? So n cap is equal to minus 2 into I plus, 2 will get cancelled. This is equal to minus of I plus J by root 2. There's minus of minus, one more. Minus of minus will be equal to plus. It will be I plus J by root 2. Answer is option A only. That is unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Right, let's move to the next question. See, according to the question, ABC are mutually perpendicular unit vectors, right? This means that A dot B, okay, and B dot C and C dot A all are equal to 0. A dot B, B dot C, C dot A should be 0. Right, and having said that, they are mutually perpendicular unit vectors. So this means that A mod of A cap, mod of B cap, modulus of C cap all are equal to 1. Okay, now if I find out, suppose modulus of A plus B plus C the whole square. A square B square C square is equal to mod A square plus mod B square plus mod C square plus 2 into a bracket. This is A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. Okay, so this is a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a. Right, so this is 0, right? Because a, b, c are unit vectors, so it will be 1. I get a mod of a cap plus mod of b cap plus mod of c cap. The whole square is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1. Right, now that is 3. If I take the square out, mod of a cap plus mod of b cap plus mod of c cap is equal to root 3. Right, answer is option B. There are similar problems in NCERT as well, right, in exercise, and this one miscellaneous worked example as well. So answer will be root 3. I am supposed to find a unit vector in the direction of 3p plus q minus 2r. So first I'll add those vectors and find the value. Let me take vector a is equal to 3p vector plus q vector minus 2r vector. Right, now I'll substitute the values. If I substitute the values, this will be equal to vector a is equal to 3 times p is equal to I plus j, right? Q will be equal to 4k minus j minus 2 times r is equal to I plus k. Okay, now vector a is equal to this is 3i plus 3j plus 4k minus j. Right, now if I open the bracket, it is minus 2i minus 2k. Now vector a is equal to 3i minus I is equal to I. Okay, 3j minus j will be equal to plus 2j. And 4k minus k will be equal to plus 2k. Now I'm supposed to find a unit vector. Na? A cap is equal to vector a divided by its magnitude. Vector a is equal a cap is equal to vector a by its magnitude. This is equal to I plus 2j plus 2k, and whole divided by modulus of a is equal to root 9. Right, modulus of a is root of 1 plus 4 plus 4. So this is I plus 2j plus 2k. Whole divided by root 9 is 3. Right, answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. If ABC are two vectors such that mod A mod B is given, modulus of A plus B is equal to root 7. What is angle between A and B? Modulus of A plus B, mod of A plus B is root 7, right? If you square on both sides, you get mod of A plus B the whole square is equal to 7. If you, if I square, right? So this is mod A square. Okay, so this is mod A square plus mod B square. This is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 times A dot B. 2 times A dot B is equal to 7. Mod A is 3 root 3, right? If I square, I get 27. Mod B square is 16 plus 2 times A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos theta is equal to 7. Okay, so this is 27 plus 16 plus 2 times modulus of A is 3 root 3 and modulus of B is 4 into cos theta is equal to 7. So if I shift on the right side, 2 into 2 root 3, 2 into 3 root 3, this is 2 into 3 root 3 into 4 into cos theta, and if I shift on the right side, it is 7 minus 27 minus 16, that is minus 36, right? So 2 into 3 into root 3 into 4 into cos theta is equal to minus 36. Right, so this is equal to 36. 4 into 3 is 12. Sorry, this fellow will be there. If I simplify this, 4 into 3 is 12. 12 will cancel with 36 3 times. Okay, now if I substitute here, if I substitute, I get cos theta is equal to minus 3 divided by 2 root 3. Okay, cos theta is equal to minus of 3 by root 3 is root 3, right? So I get root 3 by 2. Theta is equal to cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Right, cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. This is pi minus of, this is pi minus cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Okay, theta is equal to pi minus pi by 6. Pi minus pi by 6 will be equal to 5 pi by 6, which is equal to 150 degree. Right, answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. If the area of a parallelogram with A and B are two adjacent sides is 15 square units, right? Area of the parallelogram is actually modulus of A cross B, right? Modulus of A cross B is 15 square units. Then the area of a parallelogram whose adjacent sides, parallelogram having these two as adjacent sides. So area is equal to modulus of 3A plus this is modulus of 3A plus 2B. Okay, and then cross with A plus 3B. Okay, this is equal to modulus of, this is 3 times A cross A, 3 times A cross A plus 9 times A cross B, plus 2 times B cross A, plus this is 6 times B cross B. A cross A is 0, right? B cross B is 0. Cross product of two similar vectors is 0. Now this is equal to 9 times A cross B, right? Now A cross B, if you take minus common, this is minus of B cross A. If you take minus common, this is A cross B. Now this will be equal to 7 times A cross B. Okay, so now this is equal to 7 times mod of A cross B. Now according to the question, A cross B is given as 15. 15 into 7 is 105. Answer is option C. Alright, let's move to the next question. It's a question on parallelogram. You take area given and then two adjacent sides. Find the area and use the given condition. You will get the answer. Mod of A plus B is equal to mod of A minus B, right? If I square, you get mod of A plus B the whole square is equal to mod of A minus B the whole square. This is A square plus B square plus 2 times A dot B is equal to A square plus B square minus 2 times A dot B. Right, now if I substitute the values, mod A will cancel, mod B will cancel. If you shift on the left side, 4 times A dot B is equal to 0. So this means that A dot B is 0. A dot B is 0 means A is perpendicular to B. That is, A is perpendicular to B means theta should be equal to 90 degree. Answer is option D. Right, let's move to the next question. If A, B, C are three vectors, then the vector which is perpendicular to A and in the plane of B and C So this means that it should be vector which is perpendicular to A and in the plane of B and C is A cross B cross C. Right, this is vector triple product. Now first I'll find out B cross C. B cross C is equal to determinant. You get components of ijk. Okay, and then components of B is 1, 2, minus 5. Components of C is 3, 5 and minus 1. Delete first row, first column, you get minus 2 plus 25. Yeah, this is minus 2 plus 25. Minus J, delete first row, second column, you get minus 1 plus 25. Plus 15, right? Sorry. So this is 15. Minus 1 plus 15. Plus K into delete first row, last column, you get 5 minus 6. Which is equal to 23I minus 14J minus K. Now I'll find out A cross B cross C is again a determinant, components of ijk. Okay, components of A will be equal to 2, 3 minus 1. Components of B cross C is 23 minus 14 minus 1. This is I into delete first row, first column, minus 3 minus 14. Delete first row, second column, you get minus 2 plus 23. Plus delete first row, last column, you get minus 28 and minus 13, minus 69. This is minus 17I minus 21J. Okay, 69, 60, 70, 80, 90, 98, 97, minus 97K. Answer should be option C. So vector in the plane of A and B, but vector perpendicular to A and in the plane of B and C is A cross B cross C only. That is vector triple product. Okay, now if I want to find out what is OA dot OB, OA dot OB, A dot B is equal to mod A into mod B into cos theta, right? Okay, angle between OA and OB is given, that is 60 degree. Modulus of A is 5, this is 6 and cos 60 is half. This will cancel 3 times, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Answer is option A. Question number 14. A vector in the plane of ABC is actually AB cross AC. Okay, AB cross AC is, this is components of ijk. Okay, and then AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A. If I subtract OB minus OA, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus and minus is plus, minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3. This is position vector of C minus position vector of A, right? OC minus OA, if I subtract, you will get this as minus 1 plus 3 and 2 minus 1 is minus 1. Sorry, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. OC minus OA. Alright, now if I substitute the values, this is 1, 1 minus 3 and minus 1, 3 and minus 1. Okay, now if I expand, you get I into delete first row, first column, you get minus 1 plus 9. Delete first row, second column, minus 1 minus 3. Minus K into delete first row, last column. This is plus K, delete first row, last column, you get 3 plus 1. So this is equal to 8I, okay, plus 4J plus 4K. Answer is option A. Right, let's move to the next question. We did a similar question in today's PYQs. See, I can take A as any vector. I'm going to take A is equal to I, right? A big yes, good. You take vector A is equal to I. Vector A is equal to I. Abhi, it's option A, is it? No. Let me check. If I take A equal to I, this is I dot I. is equal to I dot with I plus j is equal to I dot with I plus j plus k is equal to 1. Okay, answer should be equal to C only, no? I dot I is 1. Here I get I dot I dot j is 0. I dot I is 1, I dot j is 0. This is I dot I plus I dot j plus I dot k is equal to 1. So this is 1 is equal to 1. This is 0 and this is 0. You get answer option C only. Right, let's move to the next question. If A and B are unit vectors, okay, and then mod of A plus B is equal to 1. If you square this, mod of A plus B the whole square is also 1. So this is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 times A dot B is also 1. Mod A mod B are unit vectors, so you get 1 plus 2 times. This is mod A into mod B into cos theta is equal to 1. So 2 into this is 1 into cos theta. Okay, 2 into cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos theta is equal to minus half. Okay, cos theta is equal to cos of 2 pi by 3. Okay, I'm supposed to find out A dot B, right? Then I can check here itself, right? No need to use this. I'm supposed to find out what is modulus of A minus B. So this is 1, this is 1 plus 2 times A dot B is equal to 1. This will cancel. 2 times A dot B is equal to minus 1. Now I am supposed to find what is modulus of A minus B. Mod of A minus B the whole square is mod A square plus mod B square minus 2 times A dot B. Mod of A minus B the whole square is equal to mod A is 1, mod B is 1, minus 2 times A dot B is minus 1. 2 times A dot B itself is minus 1. So this is minus 1, so this becomes plus 1. Mod of A minus B the whole square is 3. If we take this square out, modulus of A minus B is equal to root 3. Answer is option D. Question number 17, again projection of A on B. Projection of A on B is projection of vector A on vector B, right? Is equal to A dot B divided by mod B. If I take A dot B, it should be equal to 6 minus 3 plus 5 by modulus of B is 4 plus 9 plus 1. That is 8 divided by root of 14. This will be the projection, 8 by root of 14. Okay, again unit vector perpendicular to A and B. I'll take this as vector A. I'll take this as vector B. Okay, so this is A. This is vector B. Unit vector perpendicular to A and B is n cap, right? So if it goes in the opposite direction, minus n cap. N cap formula will be equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B. Okay, A cross B is equal to determinant components of ijk. Components of A will be equal to 1, 1, 0. Components of B will be equal to 0, 1, 1. Okay, A cross B is equal to I into delete first row first column I into delete first row first column, you will get 1. Delete first row second column 1 plus k into first row last column is 1. This will be I minus j plus k. Right, n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B is I minus j plus k, and modulus of this will be equal to root 3. So plus minus I minus j plus k by root 3. Answer is option D. Right, question number 19. A dot B is equal to minus mod of A minus B, right? A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos theta is equal to minus mod A into mod B. This will cancel. You will get cos theta is equal to minus 1. Cos theta is equal to cos pi because cos pi is minus 1. If you equate, you get theta is equal to 180 degree. Okay, answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Alright, now listen. You call equation 1, you take the cross product with A. A cross with A plus 2B plus 3C is equal to 0. This is A cross A plus 2 times A cross B plus 3 times A cross C is equal to 0. A cross A is 0. Okay, now I can write this as 2 times A cross B is equal to minus 3 times A cross C. Right, and then this is A cross B is equal to minus of 3 times A cross C by 2. Right, and then hi Vicky. Now let's start with next. If I take cross product with C, or you can take B as well. You can take C cross with A plus 2B plus 3C. This is C cross A plus 2 times C cross B plus C cross C is 0. So this is B cross C, right? C cross A C cross A is equal to minus of 2 times C cross B. C cross A is equal to 2 times B cross C. Right, now you call equation 1, call this is equation 2. Now if I substitute this minus of C cross A, if I interchange, this minus will become plus. This will be equal to 3 by 2 C cross A. Right, now if I substitute, A cross B will be equal to 3 by 2 C cross A. Okay, and then plus B cross C will be equal to, if I shift here, C cross A by 2 is equal to B cross C. This is C cross A by 2 plus this is C cross A. Now if I substitute here, this is LCM is 2, 3 times C cross A plus this is C cross A plus 2 times C cross A. This is 6 times C cross A by 2, which is equal to 3 times C cross A. Answer is option C. Right, let's move to the next question. Just a sec, guys. Alright, question number 21. If the volume of a parallelepiped with ABC has co-terminal edges, so volume is equal to box of ABC, right? Volume of a parallelepiped is box of ABC, which is equal to 40 cubic units. This is given in the problem. I'm supposed to find the volume of a parallelepiped having B plus C, C plus A, A plus B, B plus C, C plus A as co-terminal edges. So required volume is equal to volume of, this is A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 2 times box of ABC. A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, this is equal to 2 times 40, which is equal to 80 cubic units. Answer is option B. Question number 22. If ABC are unit vectors such that A plus B plus C is 0, what's the angle between vector A and vector B? I can write A plus B is equal to minus C, right? If you square on both sides, you get A plus B the whole square is equal to C square, right? Anyways, minus you square, it becomes plus. A plus B the whole square is A square plus B square plus 2 times A dot B is equal to mod C the whole square. Alright, ABC are unit vectors, so this is 1 plus 1 plus 2 times A dot B is mod A into mod B into cos theta, and that's equal to 1. This will cancel. 2 times mod A mod B is 1, and then cos theta is equal to minus 1. I get cos theta is equal to minus half. Okay, cos theta is equal to cos of 2 pi by 3, because cos 120 is minus half. If I equate theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. Answer is option C. Okay, if ABC are non-coplanar vectors, see A dot B cross C in the numerator same as box of ABC. Okay, 3 times this is box of BCA plus minus this is B times box of BCA. B dot C cross A is box of BCA. 2 times this is C dot A cross B is box of CAB. Now this is box of ABC. If I change, suppose box of ABC is same as box of BCA, the box of same as box of CAB. Okay, so box of BCA is same as box of ABC. This fellow is same as box of ABC. Alright, now this is minus box of BCA is same as box of ABC. Right, 2 times box of CAB is same as box of ABC. But if you interchange any two, you get a negative sign. This is box of ABC. You get 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 2. Answer is minus 1 upon 6. Answer is option C. Okay, question number 24. If these three are taken in order are coterminous edges of a parallelepiped of volume 2, what should be the value of lambda? According to the question, box of ABC, that is volume of a parallelepiped, box of ABC is equal to 2. That is given in the question. So determinant equal to 2. First row will be equal to 2, 3, 1. Second row is 1, 1, 1. Last row is lambda 4 and 2. 2 into delete first row first column, you get 2 minus 4. Minus 3 first row second column, you get 2 minus lambda. Delete first row last column, you get 4 minus lambda equal to 2. This is minus 4 minus 6 plus 3 lambda, and then plus 4 minus lambda is equal to 2. This will cancel. You will get 2 lambda is equal to minus 4 is equal to 8. Sorry, 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, lambda is equal to 4. That is last option D. Alright, unit vector perpendicular to both A and B. Again, n cap is equal to plus minus A cross B by mod of A cross B. Right? Hi Shiva. So I'm going to find out A cross B. A cross B is always a determinant. Components of A will be equal to 1, 1, 1. This is 2, 1, 3. I into delete first row first column. 3 minus 1 is 2. And then 3 minus 2 is 1. First row last column is minus 1. So this fellow is 2i plus minus 2i minus j minus k whole divided by mod of A cross B is root 6. Answer is option B. Right, let's move to the next question. See, if I take the dot product, suppose question number 25. So I'll stop here, guys. I'll come up with next question number 26 in my next session. All right. If you have already subscribed, so please do share this video. If you haven't subscribed, please enable the bell icon and subscribe my channel so that you get notification of all our classes. Thank you, guys. Join me for the next session. That is part 2 of this in my next session. That is in the evening. I'll take the class. Thank you, guys. Thanks for joining.